What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. For all you new subscribers, I'm Barba, and my buddy over here took off fishing. So the guy that you guys saw in the last video, his name's AJ. He took off to go fishing. So unfortunately, he's not going to be in this video. He might be maybe at the end of the video. I don't know if he makes it back. So this is what we've been doing. We took this table and we sanded it all down. And I just finished right now putting another coat of this clear gloss that I have. Let me show you guys. We use this stuff, some clear gloss, and it turned out pretty good. I kind of dropped the can right here. You can see the mess going underneath the table legs. But look how shiny this looks. This was all sanded down. That tabletop looks great. So shiny. Alright, so I don't know if you guys remember, I had told you that I had a check engine light for my knock sensor. So I have a scanner right here. I'm going to go ahead and scan it one more time. So here it is. It scanned the code P0325, knock sensor. So basically all this sanding that we did, there's a bunch of like sawdust all over the place that you guys can see. It's all over the bike. It's all over the place. And it's even on the car. So this has kind of like motivated me to kind of want to start to do the body work on the car. And maybe get this paint job going pretty soon. So what I got over here is a brand new knock sensor. I believe it's this one right here. No, it's not this box. It's this box right here. So basically, that's the new knock sensor. Let me take this red plug off. That's what the knock sensor looks like. And basically, on this motor that's sitting here, I already showed you guys this before, but for anybody that doesn't know, this is the front of the motor, the D16. This is the rear of the motor. Basically, this is going to go right here. There's like a little spot right there. That's where it's going to go. Just like that. All the way in. So now I gotta find the spot over here on the actual motor. Get it on some jack stands so I can swap it out. Alright, so I just finished removing the old knock sensor. As you guys can see how bad it was. It's actually broken from there. So this is the new one, and this is the old one next to it. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the new one. And it's kind of a pain to get in there, to get your hand in there. So I'm not going to record the process of it, because it's going to take me a while to screw this back in there. Alright, so the new knock sensor is in, and I'm going to go ahead and start up the car and reset the computer. Alright, So I'm going to go to erase codes. Are you sure? Yes. Yes. Erase done. So my check engine light is off. I'm going to go ahead and start it up. And it looks like it's good. Alright, so another thing that I noticed on the Civic is that I think my shift linkage is either bent or it's loose, or my bushings are messed up already on here. I'm not sure yet, but check out all the play. Like right there, it shouldn't be moving like that. And then if I put it into first gear, look at all the play that it has. That's first gear. That's way too much play. Second gear, way too much play. So basically my first gear is almost going as far as third gear. So I'm thinking either my shift linkage is loose or my bushings are bad, and if anything, the worst, my shift linkage could be bent, but I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna have to jack it up and take a look. Alright, I don't know if you guys remember all the bad bodywork my car has. I don't know who did it, but I just went to town with it with a sander, and check this out. This is way better than what it looked before. I have no clue why they put Bondo right here. I don't know if there's a low spot or what's going on, because I don't see a reason for there to be Bondo on there. It might be a low spot, but I highly doubt it. Alright you guys, so I pushed the car back and I'm looking for primer to lay on there since I got down to the bare metal. And it looks like I don't have any gray primer, so I'm going to have to use this black sandable primer that I have. And of course, since it's on the door, it's going to make the car stand out like crazy. So I'm thinking maybe I could just like spray some of this stuff, this gray that I have, and not make it so obvious, so it doesn't look all screwed up and ugly when I'm going down the road. I could at least try to blend in a little. And I'm also thinking, now that I got this started, I'm really gonna have to do this body work now. Alright, so I went ahead and I laid the black primer, and then I followed it with this metallic aluminum from Rustoleum, and it doesn't look too bad. Look at this. Like, I can still see that it does need more body work done to it, but I have no clue why they handle that Bondo by the door handle. And like you can see, like right here and right here, but I still got to do some body work right there. But I mean, for the meantime, this should be good enough, at least for like 2 weeks, right? So I could start on this body work and actually go all the way down, sand everything really smooth, and go ahead and spray it. But this color really blended in. So if you guys have a car that's this color, a Civic, this is the color to get. By Rustoleum 2X, part number 280710 metallic aluminum. This is the same rattle can that I used to paint the hubcaps. So basically this is a short, crappy video, not much really going on, and hopefully we start doing other stuff, interesting stuff. So then I'll catch you guys later. Peace.